Hey, I'm creating this short video to show you how easy it is to test and get feedback on product concepts using helpful.com. So as you can see, I'm in the create page and I can either create a general feedback survey or a screen recording survey. If I go into general feedback, I can either explore the many templates they have, but today let's do one from scratch. And as you can see, the first thing I have here is the survey name. So I can edit this or leave it as custom survey. In either case, this survey name will not be visible to participants. It's just for the test creator, in this case me, to be able to differentiate and store my surveys accordingly. So let's say this is a new product design concept survey. And the first question I'm going to add will be a picture choice because I want to do a survey on three options I have for a new design. So my question is going to be, we are working on a design style for a new garlic press. Which of the following product designs do you find most visually appealing and you want to have in your kitchen? So I'm going to upload the three options I have. This is option number one. Here is option number two. And last but not least, option number three. I also want to add a multiple choice question just to get some more data. So my multiple choice question is going to be, how often do you cook with garlic? And the options are going to be weekly, monthly, and daily. The great thing about these questions in helpful.com is that, as you can see in my first question, below it says participants will be asked to write a comment on their choice. And this is awesome because besides the voting quantitative data that I'm going to have on these three concepts, I'm also going to get opinions and the reason why their choice has been made. So that's going to give me some extra qualitative data on their decision, which is very valuable to me. So after this is done, I can either preview my survey just to make sure everything is okay and look at those questions, how they're going to come up. And then I can proceed to select my audience. So let's say I want 25 people, and I can also select my demographics. So if I go to specific demographics, I can choose either by any age or gender. So if I confirm and continue, I can corroborate that everything is looking okay, seems to be, so confirm and launch. And my survey has been launched successfully. So in a couple of minutes, some responses are going to start coming in, and we can either see them in real time or step away, go do something else in the meantime. And when the survey has been completed, we are going to get a reminder email or notification email that lets us know that the survey is done and we can go in and check all of our answers. As you can see, it's only been 6 minutes and already 76% of the participants I selected have answered the survey, and you can see all those responses coming in real time. In the meantime, if you desire, you can also share this survey or download it and send it to anyone else you'd like for more responses. In a few minutes, the survey should be complete, and you're also going to receive a notification email letting you know that your survey has been answered by all participants. Awesome, looks like my survey has been completed by all participants. This was really fast. So now if I go back to the results page, I have my survey there for reference. So one of the cool things here is that if you go in to see view detailed data, besides the quantitative data on the votes, that I can see that most people voted for option 1, you can also go down and see all of the comments from the users and the reason why they voted for each one. And that's really valuable. So if I go back to my results page from this overflow menu, if I feel like 25 responses wasn't enough, I can request more participants. Let's say I'm going to select 25 more with the same demographics by default, confirm and launch. So now you can see in this badge that it's in progress, 50% complete, because I already had kind of got the other 25 responses. And the extra responses are going to be coming in. As you can see, already another response there. This is a really quick tool to get feedback on anything you want. You can also do user testing, screen recording videos if you want. It's great, it's cheap, and it's fast. But most importantly, it's easy to use. Definitely recommend if you need testing on anything, go to helpful.com.